You're sitting down at the table for dinner and the phone rings. It's another telemarketer. You've tried to block them time and time again, but to no avail. You're tired of being bombarded with annoying telemarketing calls or worse, scammers. Well, guess what? Two brilliant minds have devised an ingenious AI tool that fights back against those pesky scammers and trolls them like never before. Say hello to Jolly Roger, the ultimate weapon in the war against telemarketers. In today's video, we delve into the trending AI tool, Jolly Roger, exploring its incredible features and witnessing firsthand how it leaves telemarketers scratching their heads. But first, the AI Nexus releases an AI weekly update with every major headline from that week, so our subscribers stay up to date on every AI development. Subscribe today so you don't miss a single update. Now, let's dive right in. So here's what we know about Jolly Roger. Jolly Roger was born out of the frustration of two individuals who had finally had enough of those relentless spam calls. They decided to take matters into their own hands and create a telephone service like no other that would allow them to have a laugh while scammers squirm on the other end of the line. With the power of artificial intelligence, Jolly Roger syncs with your phone and engages with a telemarketer when they call.
Okay, sir, this is a professional call.
Do you have any pets, Sarah? I'd love to hear about them.
This incredible service uses ChatGPT and voice modulation software to generate chatty, easily distracted characters that keep scammers on the line for as long as possible. Once you become a subscriber, you gain access to this cloud-based phone system that lets you create your own annoying characters or choose from a range of pre-made ones. There are even apps that allow you to view, listen to, and share recorded calls between the bot and the frustrated telemarketer. That sounds like a lot of fun. Jolly Roger is not about entertainment. It's about empowering you to take control of your phone calls. By subscribing to this fantastic service, you can provide the phone numbers you want to protect and merge any incoming telemarketing calls with a specified or random bot. Say goodbye to those pesky scammers and hello to a hassle-free phone experience. So, certainly an impressive AI technology feat, but is there a true use case for the product? Consider this. Did you know that the number of spam calls has skyrocketed over the years? In 2016, there were 2.28 billion spam calls in the United States. Fast forward to January 2019, and that number jumped to a staggering 5.19 billion. Scammers were getting bolder and more persistent. It seems like no matter where you go or what you do, your phone is still ringing with yet another unsolicited sales pitch. We've all experienced that overwhelming feeling of annoyance and frustration. Jolly Roger is a glimmering hope in taking a stand against these fraudulent vices. While it may not eliminate all scam callers, it certainly puts a dent in their operations. Just recently, the WSJ picked up on this impressive AI product and did full coverage on how people are using it. Since its inception, Jolly Roger continues to go through significant enhancements. Having come a long way since its inception, Jolly Roger is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI's impact on everyday problem solving. Initially, the process involved hiring voice actors to record scripts. However, with the integration of ChatGPT, the founders were able to automate and diversify the entire process. Now, the powerful chatbot generates scripts that Jolly Roger feeds into Play.ht, an AI-powered text-to-voice generator. The result? Hilarious and engaging conversations that keep telemarketers hooked. So what are we hearing from users of this AI product? Users are simply experiencing a feeling of revenge after all those years of telemarketer calls, but having fun in the process. For example, they have the option to select a bumbling senior citizen named Whitey Whitebeard, or an easily distracted mother known as Salty Sally, who then engages in hilarious conversations with the telemarketer. Jolly Roger turns the tables and makes sure scammers waste their own time. For once, they get a taste of their own bitter medicine, and people feel satisfied from that service. In a recent trend on social media, some scammers found themselves hilariously interrupted by a bee on Jolly Roger's arm. With a sprinkle of words like "sure" and Jolly Roger keeps the telemarketer on the line, and the level of frustration is enough to make them pull their hair out in utter desperation. Revenge never tasted so sweet. Jolly Roger is a glimpse into the promising world of AI tackling everyday issues, even the seemingly small ones. It's a tool that empowers us and brings us satisfaction in fighting back against telemarketers. We can feel optimistic about the future of AI, where it will continue to transform our lives, making it more convenient, efficient, and enjoyable. With Jolly Roger leading the way, we're entering an era where AI becomes our trusted ally in solving everyday problems. Speaking of AI in the most unexpected places, how about a surprising integration of AI with toys? You definitely need to see this video.